Mobile dent removal services are transforming vehicle maintenance by offering expert, on-site repairs without the need for body shop visits. Mobile Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) uses tools to fix minor dents without damaging the original paint. The key benefits include unmatched convenience, faster repairs, often within hours, and cost-effectiveness, as it avoids expensive repainting or panel replacements. It's also eco-friendly, reducing the use of harmful chemicals and waste. Mobile dent repair demand is growing due to consumer demand for convenience, advanced technology enabling complex repairs, and high costs of traditional auto body shop. Insurance companies often support PDR, making claims easier and cheaper for customers. A typical mobile service includes a free estimate, scheduled on-site repairs using advanced tools, and customer satisfaction checks, often backed by warranties. Mobile dent repair suits hail damage, door dings, minor collision dents, and fender bumps, but major structural or paint damage dents may need traditional repairs. To ensure quality, customers should verify technician certifications, review customer feedback, ask for before and after photos, check for guarantees, and compare quotes. Mobile dent repair is becoming a trusted, convenient option for busy vehicle owners as mobile auto services expand to include oil changes, detailing, and tire services. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.